I'm 𝗙𝗃𝘁. We've lived on this property for 32 years. My wife and I moved out of the city. We decided we want to live in the country and have some cows. But in March of this year, the tornado came through and took out 5 outbuildings. So we decided to build back. So we decided to go with this building inside our catch pen, corral, whatever you call it, and 2 more separate buildings about this size. And we decided to have the storage facility closer to the house, so we rebuilt that there. But we still wanted some shelter for the animals, so we built this 20 by 20, give or take, building by Allen's Factory Outlet. This building we bought the last time from Allen's is 20 by 25, so we can back the truck in a little deeper, and it's wide enough so if I do get other pieces of equipment, I have extra room that I can park it in out of the weather as well. I looked online to find out who suppliers were, and Allen's was the only one that had the design your own, that I could actually pick what I wanted and find out how much it's going to cost without having to call somebody and go through the sales pressure. And they built one building in the afternoon, and they came back the next day and built the other 2, and they were wading mud up to their knees and had a super attitude. They never slowed down, they just kept going non-stop till we got it done. And I'm very well satisfied with the quality of the construction and the longevity. Everything has stayed together and it looks good, and it serves the purpose. I love the 3D builder. Obviously my sheds are not very complicated, but you can get as complicated as you want, and they're so easy to do. You manipulate through the 3D builder site, and it allows you to change, adjust, modify, add on, subtract. I highly recommend Allen's Factory Outlet for any of the carport type buildings, sheds, outbuildings that anybody would want to buy. So if you're looking for a portable building or storage building or cattle shed, a garage, whatever your needs are, call them first. You don't need to call anybody else.